Hey, did you hear a new version of calculator in macOS 15 can do unit conversions very quickly and easily? So after you turn on your calculator, head here to the bottom left and simply switch to convert mode. Now you can see two different values here. In my case, I got currencies, but we can change that easily. Open this menu and you can search for units you like. I can go with centimeters to feet. So I can type 10 centimeters and now I got value 0.32 feet. We can click here to swap this around. So now I can type in feet. So I can now delete that and I can have 45 feet and it's converting to 1371 centimeters. Alright, so that's how easy it is. Just click this button here to switch which one you want to be editable. Is highlighted with white color, other one is gray. And of course you can switch units. There are so many. Let's try something unusual like volume. Okay, cubic centimeters to gallons. That's nice. Very quickly, instant results in the built-in calculator. So you don't need to search for this online or use any third-party apps nowadays. Simply open up your calculator, head here and turn on convert mode. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.